right, we're gonna take a look at two quick variations on how to go to the back. From the knee lead position, I'm gonna try to get into the knee cut position without letting him get any hooks, okay? So maybe we're rolling around, I'm blitzing my partner, looking for opportunities, and he's kind of fatigued a little bit there from the movement. I can take advantage and control his hip and move right to the top here, smashing his knee, right? If I let his knee come up, he's gonna be able to hide his hand under there and go to reverse DLR. So I wanna try to make sure that that knee is down on the mat and take advantage here with an underhook, gripping his belt. Okay, I'm gonna switch this grip here to the ankle and then start pinching here with my shin and heel. I'm gonna rock back and then start looking for this baby bolo entrance. I'm gonna pull, stretch, pose, grip, and hop, go into the back, okay? This next variation, same thing. I'm trying to stay moving, not letting him get too many grips, moving into position, okay? And now I'm gonna rock back, same thing, except here, I'm gonna switch the hook and use my shin, all right, to drag his hip on top of mine. Stretch this leg out and drag so we can go into twister bolo, controlling here or here, stretching, and coming up to start chasing the back. Okay, let's do those one more time.